Let's learn how to solve addition problems with missing values. This is steps to success. Let's look at this question from a previous SATs paper. It's 326 plus something equals 380. Let's look at our steps to success to solve this type of question. First one, I can identify the operation needed. I can align the numbers. I can subtract from right to left, and I can regroup when the top digit is less than the bottom. Now, a couple spoilers in there. However, let's go through the first success criteria. I can identify the operation needed. Well, it's just going to be addition, right? Because it says addition. No, because we have a missing number within the problem itself. So when we have that, we need to do what is called a bar model or a whole part model. So we just need to draw our bar and separate so they are two different lines. In part whole model or a bar model, it's part plus part equals the whole. So these two parts at the bottom will equal the whole at the top. Now let's fill this in. So 326 plus something equals 380. Well, 380 is our total amount, so that is our whole. 326 is one part, and the other part we do not know. So actually we need to use subtraction in order to find this missing part. Have we identified the operation? Yes, we have. Now we need to align the numbers. So let's align the numbers. Now we don't even need to look at this original problem anymore. We can use our part whole method. So here we have 380, which is the total amount, and we need to subtract the part we know. That's 326. So align numbers, tick. Now we're going to subtract from right to left. That means we'll start in this ones column, and we'll regroup if we need to. 0 take away 6. Ooh, we need to regroup because I can regroup when the top number is less than the bottom. 0 is less than 6. If I have 0 chocolates, I cannot give 6 chocolates to someone. So how do we regroup in subtraction? It's very different to regrouping in addition. So what we're going to do is go to the place value column to the left. We are going to cross that out, so 8, and we are going to borrow 1 from there. So we'll put the 1 just in front of it. Now because it's come from the place value column next to it, it's not a 1, it's actually a 10 that we are moving across. So we don't do 1 plus 0, we do the 1, then the 0. That is now 10. Because we've borrowed 1 from the 8, we need to write the new number on top straight away. That is 7. If you forget to do that, you'll make mistakes later on in your calculation. Now we have 10 take away 6. Can we do that? Yes, we can. That is 4. We have 7 take away 2. Remember, we use the new number, 7. 7 take away 2 is 5. And we have 3 take away 3, which is 0. So our answer is 54. This missing part is 54. So don't forget to write the final answer in there. 54. 326 plus 54 equals 380. We subtracted from right to left and we regrouped when the top number was less than the bottom number. If you need more help with this, let me know and I'll make more videos. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want a more in-depth lesson, I have longer videos which you can watch where I'll go through multiple examples for every skill. This has been Steps to Success.